Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Today, I'm going to be unboxing a toy of Baldi's Basics. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the box and see what's inside. You can see here all of the different variations. There's Angry Baldi, Baldi, Principal of the Thing, and It's a Bully. Now, we have Baldi here. I can just begin the actual unboxing part of this. So that's it, officially out of the package. And let's see, he's stuck in here pretty well. I don't know if I'll be able to get him out. Ah, there we go. So, wait a minute. This isn't Baldi. This is Angry Baldi. I guess my mom forgot that I wanted Baldi, not Angry Baldi. Well, the joke's on her because I forgot to turn off the stove earlier today. So anyways, let's go ahead and look at a few of the accessories that this comes with. There's a clock that says time, and a ruler that goes from 1 to 12, if I can just focus on that. So I'm assuming he can hold this in his hand like he does in the game. Okay, yeah, he can hold it. So it's relatively well articulated. I would like to see the arms able to go out, but they don't. They just sort of roll around in a circle. But aside from that, the articulation is, surprisingly good. As far as what I rate this, I give it a 0 out of 10 because it's not Baldi. Anyways, I better go check on that oven. I think that's all the time we have for today.